Good morning, District 95 community. Thanks for taking a minute to watch a example of how to complete the daily health certification. Every morning at 5:30, the system will automatically send you an email and it will say District 95 Daily Health Certification. We're asking that you complete this survey by 7 o'clock on a daily basis. Please know that in order for a child to come to school, they must complete the daily health certification. If you do not complete the daily health certification, your child could be excluded from school. When I open the email, I will see a quick message asking me to complete the survey at the link below. So here's where you would take the survey. At the bottom, it says if you'd like to opt out of these messages, click here. Please do not opt out of this for your child because in order for us to reestablish him in the system takes a significant amount of time. Please take the survey daily by 7 o'clock. When you click on the survey, it will take you to a set of health questions that are designed to gauge your child's readiness for school. Please know that if your child is not certified to come to school, your child will need to stay at home for 10 days or provide a negative COVID test or provide a doctor's note explaining that the symptom you have checked yes to is not related to COVID. The first thing that it asks for is your temperature. In order to be certified to come to school, a child's temperature has to be 100.3 or less. If your child's temperature is 100.4 or more, you will not be certified to come to school. I'm certifying that my temperature this morning was 98.7. The next set of questions ask for certain symptoms. I want to point out clearly this bold word, unexplained. So I do not have any unexplained fever, cough, chills, or muscle aches. So I click no. I don't have any unexplained sore throat, runny nose, headache, or loss of taste or smell. And this is a good one to give some examples. It is possible that your child might have a runny nose, but you know that that is due to his or her seasonal allergies. That is explainable. So I would not check yes because he has a runny nose, because I know that runny nose is due to allergies. So I would check no. And as we scroll down, we can check no that we don't have any of these symptoms. And no, I have not been in close contact or cared for someone that's tested positive for COVID. I'll arrow over, and it says based on my responses, I'm eligible to come into the school today, and I'm certified. This is how you complete the certification process. Again, you can help us greatly by making sure you are diligent in doing this on a daily basis. We get a dashboard that allows us to see who has certified and who has not certified, and we also are informed when a child is not certified. If your child is not certified to come to school, please do not send your child to school. Remember, if your child is not certified, they will be out by ISB guidelines for 10 days or until a note is provided by a doctor saying that their symptom is not related to COVID or a negative COVID test. If you have any questions on how to take the survey, please reach out to your building's principal. Thank you very much.